jobs are going to be in plastics.
Some things may change, but math will always stay the same.
Shorthand is one of the most important skills you can learn. And memorize those tables because you won't always have a calculator in your pocket. No, most of you will never have to know how to use a computer. Email, tablet, smartphone.
The world is changing faster than ever. That's why at the college school, we don't prepare students for a future. We prepare them for any future. Here, learning isn't cramming for next week's test. It's discovered, practiced, and lived. Our students build timeless skills that matter: creativity, resilience, confidence. How do our students build them? By doing. Lessons start in the classroom and come alive outdoors. In early childhood, big questions become big projects. Children investigate, create, and play their way into understanding, growing language, early numeracy, and confidence through discovery. Third graders exploring community don't just read about it. They visit St. Louis neighborhoods, interview residents and business owners, talk to experts, then design and build a model community of their own. Fifth graders studying butterflies, raise caterpillars, plant milkweed, and tag monarchs for the International Monarch Watch, turning curiosity into real-world science. Eighth graders learning ecology spend 9 days in the field in North Carolina and Tennessee, collecting and analyzing data across rivers, forests, and summits, learning to observe, measure, adapt, and lead. At TCS, academics are challenging. Enriched math, close reading, and evidence-based writing, so they're fully prepared for high school and beyond. And over their years here, they laugh, play, and have fun, because joy is rocket fuel for deep learning. This is a dynamic education. Students learn to think critically, embrace setbacks, and try again. They learn to collaborate, to communicate, and to care. Our students arrive eager. They explore, they create, they grow. And that love of learning becomes part of who they are, long after graduation. We can't predict the world they'll inherit. We can prepare them to shape it. Relentless in discovery, grounded in purpose, ready for anything. The future won't slow down. Neither will we.